Kikoff cancellations can fail when users try to cancel through the wrong channel, or when an active subscription is still connected to the account. If Kikoff won't let you cancel, you'll learn what to check, the steps to request cancellation, and what to do if the account stays active. The first step is to check your Kikoff account settings and confirm what service you are trying to cancel. Kikoff offers different credit building products, and the cancellation process can depend on the specific product attached to your account. Before canceling, review your account for any active subscriptions, pending payments, or recent charges. An account with a pending transaction may not close immediately until that activity is resolved. If the cancellation option is not available in your account, contact Kikoff support directly. Include the email address connected to your Kikoff account, the product you want to cancel, and the date you submitted the request. Keep a record of your cancellation request. Save confirmation emails, support replies, and screenshots showing your request. This gives you proof of when you ask to cancel. If you are being charged after requesting cancellation, check whether the charge happened before or after the cancellation request. A charge that was already scheduled may process even if you started the cancellation process. You should also confirm that you received a cancellation confirmation. A submitted request does not always mean the account has been fully closed. If Kikoff support has not resolved the issue, follow up using the same support channel and reference your previous conversation. Keeping the communication history together makes it easier for support to review the situation. Avoid deleting your payment information before the account is properly canceled. Removing payment details does not always close an account and can make account management more complicated. The key points are simple. Check your active Kikoff product, request cancellation through the correct support process, and keep records until you receive confirmation. Your next step is to log into Kikoff, review your account status, and contact support with your cancellation details if the option is missing. If this helped you fix a Kikoff cancellation problem, like the video and subscribe for more credit card and credit building guides.